Hey guys, Healthy Lifestyle in Chapter 3. First start off by downloading the Lifestyle zip down here. This file will contain your images, your actual image folder you don't even have to make, but it will also contain the text file for the nutrition page. So before you get started, you'll be able to see a screenshot back on page 192 of what the two pages, the home and also the nutrition page, will be when you go back and you work on that. But this contains that information. So you want to bring your image folder over. Again, sometimes when I'm looking at your Dreamweaver sites, when you're showing me your um, files over here, I'm seeing like the text files probably shouldn't be there. Just use that as a temporary thing. Put it on your desktop and then bring it into this section when you need to. All right. So then you want to start off by showing me your template when you do this. I did, when I first brought that up, I just noticed this today, my borders around my navigation here along my left-hand side. For some reason, it glitches where it doesn't show up. Preview in browser, see what it looks like. If I go back to my live view, and again, I don't like to work on this, and again, I don't think you should work on that, but if I go back to my live view, see how it switches back up? And even in live view, you can sort of preview what's happening here, like with links and everything. So it helps out a little bit, but again, really we want to preview in browser. So again, what's going on with this? Again, I have my navigation, I have my different pages for home, nutrition, exercise, habits, and sign up. All right. So again, this is my template. Okay, go back to your index page here, open this up, preview in browser. So again, just make sure you're doing this full screen so I can see your tab at the very top, your title. I can see your hover links. You want to go over top of each one. You don't want to click on that. So again, when I hover over that, it should go to green and underline. If I click on this, it will go back to your home page. The apple should be centered down here at the very bottom. Here's your nutrition page that you made as well. Again, this has the bulleted list and this information. I recall in the past some people have had trouble getting this picture to be centered because it's underneath that bulleted list. Sometimes it gets inside of your unordered list. And you can always use your center HTML tag to center it. That'll be one way of going back to do this. So again, if you're back in Dreamweaver and you go to the nutrition page, if you click on this link, again, sometimes when you're clicking on center down here for underneath CSS, it does not center. It centers everything. See how it centers everything? You don't want to do that. So again, one thing you could do is, again, go back to your code view, and then down below here, before your picture, again, you could use your center tag. Okay, that would work. But again, you've got to be a little creative about that. So that's been a little bit of a problem that I remember in the past for people. So again, if you're previewing back in browser, okay, this is what the nutrition page should look like. Exercise, again, there's nothing there. We have the framework for the page. The page is there. Habits, sign up. Okay, so again, should have links there, but again, nothing's going to be on those pages, but always test your links on all pages to go from page to page in your preview in browser, and you're making the video for me. But that is Healthy Lifestyle.